Welcome to Nutrition Academy, hosted by Nutrition Maker Software. My name is Doug, and I'll be taking you through this tutorial today. Today's tutorial, we will show you how to issue a meal plan to your client. The Nutrition Maker software offers a variety of different meal plans in a variety of different calorie ranges for your clients. In addition, you can also create your own meal plans. If you're interested in learning how to create your own meal plans, we do have tutorials on that, and I'll put a link up here as well. We hope this tutorial will make your job easier and make you more efficient with Nutrition Maker. If you're not our current customer and you're examining Nutrition Maker, please remember we have a free 2-week trial, no obligation, no credit card required. The link is down below. Plus, we have a discount code there as well. So let's get on with it. Meal plans can be provided to your client with either printing or by sending to a web portal or their phone app. The first step is to go to the client record, choose from the drop-down list, and choose Nutrition. The first time you issue a meal plan, you will need to have the nutritional information such as client's weight, target weight, activity level, and so on. If you haven't already done this, go to the Nutritional Information tab on the left, enter a weight. In this case, we're going to enter their weight as fairly heavy and put a target weight in that is in their ideal weight range. For this example, we're going to show that they weigh in at 170 pounds and their target weight is 135 pounds. Then we click on Save. Next is to choose the activity level and also a weight loss or goal gain. You have the option to have them lose the weight by a certain day or a certain amount of pounds. Additionally, up here, you can choose a custom nutritional balance for a meal plan. And if you want to use a specific calorie range, you can choose from the custom resting metabolic rate calorie and choose your own calories. But as you can see from this example, they are recommended to take in a meal plan with approximately 1,500 calories, that is per day, and they will achieve their target rate by January 9th of 2023. Keep in mind we will not let a client lose more than 2 pounds per week. Okay, so once this information is done, you will go to the meal plan section over on the left. Here you also have several options. You can choose from the recommended, which will give you meal plans in the calorie range, in this case 1,500, or you can also choose from all the meal plans if you want to choose a different calorie range. You will then choose the meal plan. Remember, you can view it as well in a PDF format if you want to preview the meal plan before you issue it to a client. But typically, what you'll do is drag and drop a meal plan over. And you can do this with multiple plans. So we'll drop 2 of them over here for the example. At this point, you can randomize the days. This is very helpful. For instance, we've provided them a healthy Asian and a healthy Italian, but most people are not going to want to eat 7 days straight of healthy Italian and then move to 7 days of Asian. So you could randomize the days, and then they would randomly eat Asian or Italian food. Now you have the option to issue the meal plan. You can edit it. For information on editing meal plans, we suggest you view the tutorial on editing meal plans. You can also create your own meal plan. But typically you're going to issue it, so we will click the Issue button. Now you can see down here in the meal plan history that they have been issued a combination plan of healthy Asian and healthy Italian. You do still have the options to edit the plan, view it, which would be the ability to print it as well. You can copy the meal plan, delete it, or make it a master template that you could provide to other clients in the future. And of course, you can always print it and print out an analysis sheet as well. Thanks for watching. If you've gotten value out of this tutorial, we hope that you would click on the like button. As well, you may want to click on the subscribe and notify button so that you can keep up to date on new training tutorials and any new features that we offer in Nutrition Maker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.